EASEHQ has issued a World Danger Warning. The reason for this warning is because, in Pinewood Builders, the group called PIA has gone out of control. As of right now, they are contained. Please stay tuned for more information. This is not a drill, the PIA are loose. Plea.
Error, PIA are coming. Be on the lookout.
To be safe, border the windows. Turn off all lights and make the least amount of sound you can. Please stay tuned for more information. Don't fight. Don't attack. Unborder the windows. Turn on all lights and make the most amount of sound you can. If you do this, you will be safe. The war of the PIA versus PB has started. Please stay tuned as we watch the world-altering war. Pinewood Builders has won the war. Please head back outside. The world is safe again, for now.